Welcome back to Garden Discovery. And today I am in Cannery Row, and this is my fourth town in the Five Town Challenge, challenging you to visit five towns within 30 miles from where you live to find inspiration, which can be art, architecture, plants for your garden. So let's go explore Cannery Row and find out what kind of inspiring things Cannery Row has to offer. Let's go. That is gorgeous. Love ferns. They're just so lush. So pretty. These were all once sardine canneries through here. And this would be the Monterey Bay Aquarium. I hope everybody's having a great time enjoying this piece of Cannery Row with me, and I hope it's inspiring you. Please hit that notification button and subscribe to the channel and like and comment and all that good stuff. I want to hear about what's inspiring you in your neighborhoods or towns near you. So let me know, drop me a line in the comment section below. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. So I just can't get enough of this courtyard because the way they have it laid out is just so beautiful. Look at that. If that doesn't inspire your California garden, what does? I'm just so inspired by the plantings around this courtyard. It's so beautiful, and the hummingbirds are coming in and out. And of course, there's this beautiful fountain. And I'll get up and show you a good look at it. So yeah, really pretty. And okay, back to the plants though. Look at this. It's just so gorgeous. And right here, beautiful. I just love this. It's turned out to be the most beautiful November day, and it's absolutely gorgeous out here on Cannery Row. Isn't that pretty? So gorgeous. With the kelp beds back there. Gorgeous day. I wish you could be here. Look at the patterns on the seabed floor. That's amazing. I want a fire pit. I want one now. Anybody up for some shopping? Found the candy store. Like taffy, this is the place. Ellis isn't dead. I found him. He's in Cannery Row. Yeah, I need a crow's nest in my garden. Aloe vera. For $1,700, you can have her too. That's me. California classic. This old building used to have a carousel inside it and was known as Oscar Hassenfelter's. We called it Oscar Hassenfelter's. And this is the place when we were teenagers we used to come and have fun. They had a big carousel and they had a huge arcade in there and a magic shop. And yeah, it was a fun time, really fun time. Those were the days. I'm headed back to the car now. It's been a beautiful day. It's getting really warm today. It started off really cold. Now it's really warm. And I hope you like the hat. If you do, check out my friend Michael's metal detecting YouTube channel. It's called It's Only Me Again, Metal Detecting. That's Michael's logo for his metal detecting And he's great, absolutely adorable guy, and gets lots of finds. Most recently, a gold coin. Check it out. It's spectacular. You'll not want to miss it. Give me some of that, woman. Well, I had a lot of plants that I liked that I saw today that I've taken pictures of. I'm going to upload the pictures onto the Plant ID app, see what their names are, do some investigating, and see if I have the right conditions to plant them. Because now in the fall is one of the best times to plant shrubs and trees because they establish their root system while they're not growing as much above ground. So that's a plus because then they'll have great root systems when it's time for them to flourish and grow above the ground in spring and summer. So just a tip for you. By my car. So just a coinky dink, I parked right in front of the Green Gables Inn. If you remember from last video I did of Pacific Grove, that's the same place. Pretty. Had a great time. Saw some really plants along the way and some really pretty palm trees and gorgeous plants that I want to try again. So it's been a fruitful adventure for me today. I hope you've enjoyed this walk along Cannery Row. And if you did, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can hear about the next town I visit next week. Just beautiful.